Allow us to introduce the MaxxMacro 2923 Wire EDM SuperVise. Seamlessly adaptable, it mounts on HP, Magnum, or leveling adapter, ensuring versatility in every aspect of your machining setup. Built to conquer the challenges of CNC machining, this SuperVise delivers unyielding grip, firmly clamping rectangular workpieces up to 100 mm with a formidable tightening torque of 7 Nm. Built from stainless steel 440C, rated 48 to 52 HRC, the MaxxMacro 2923 SuperVise guarantees unmatched performance, thriving even in the most demanding conditions. Elevate your WEDM capabilities with the MaxxMacro 2923 WEDM SuperVise. Contact us today or visit our website to harness the true potential of your CNC machining.